one of the biggest trade centers in the whole Mediterranean Sea. That means that we had a lot of ships around here, with a lot of sailors. And usually the sailors before, they were full of sicknesses. And in order to find a way to separate the healthy sailors from the sick sailors, they were using this island like quarantine zone. Something like COVID zone today. There was one small building behind those trees that they were placing them there for 1 to 2 days. And whoever was fine had the clearance to go inside the port. Otherwise, had to stay here, actually there, and wait for the boat to depart from the port. And do you know about leprosy, lepra? Very bad disease. Here in Crete, we have the biggest leper community in the whole Europe. It is located in the other side of this island, in Ios Nikolaos, in Eluda, and it's called Spinalonga Island. Spinalonga. No, there's no more.
No more.
The cure, we found the cure. Not the Greeks, everybody. So Spinalonga Island, together with this island, they were operating to accommodate lepers. But this was for the west side of Crete. That's why today this island is called Lazareta or Lazareto. In Latin means hospital, treatment. And when the Ottomans came here, the Turks, and they tried to see Chania, first they captured this island, they established the cannons there on the right corner of this island, and they were blasting the west fortification of Chania. The walls, as we can see them from here. And they managed to capture Chania after 2 months, but they lost more than 10,000 soldiers. And after conquering Chania, because the Ottomans, they were allies with the Egyptians, they gave Chania to the Egyptian troops for 20 years. So the Egyptian troops rebuilt the lighthouse. That's why today the lighthouse at the top is cylinder, like minaret, after sextagon, octagon, and almost square on the bottom. The square part from the lighthouse is the initial building, the first lighthouse for the Venetians. The whole other parts from the Egyptians. And finally, this small white church there, this in the name of St. Nicholas, and it was built at the rate of 60s, since we had a very big shipwreck in the open waters, and everybody died. So this is something like memorial. St. Nicholas is the protector for the sailors and the seas, and it's not Santa Claus, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions?
No, so far it's good.
Okay.
Bon,
Thank you.
alors, thank you.
Yeah.